morning to the crew. In the morning we found the certain things different because I opened the window like this and you guys can see it's a snow. It is snowing right now. And then we have, how can you call it? 고드름?
Icicles.
Icicles. Oh, there you go. For you. I got one. It's quite snowy a lot. So I'm gonna go out a little bit, see how it is. It would be cold, baby. Just bundle up. You stay here. Wow, like a bit of barefoot, okay? 맨발 나간다. 오, 야, 눈 엄청 쌓였다. Guys, I came out. You guys can see snow pretty good. You can see that my Crocs is sunk in. Compared to Scotland, this ice is really hard. Like icy feeling. It's not fluffy. It's not that like you hit like wrong way. It just a little bit hurts. It's pretty. It is pretty. Actually, it is really pretty. Right, I'm gonna get in. So we thought we recorded, but we didn't. We decided to stay in here one more day because of the snow, right?
Yeah.
You can extend it your staying, and then QR code here. You do it like a screen, and then pay like a wireless, and then done. So we extended one more day, and hopefully by tomorrow snow will go away. You have a snow here. 스노우맨 만들어도 되겠다. 근데 약간 나이 드신 분들은 걸어다니기 힘들 수도 있겠다. 이렇게 안 치워져 있으면.
For us too.
아, 우리도 맞다. 우리도. Let's go to town. Show me the snow. The snowman. That's cool. Guys, we arrived in the Grand Plaza. Look at that, the building. It looks like kind of like we saw in Holland. Look at that, I can see the church over there. Maybe that is the church. Look at this. Ah, that's so pretty.
Adjusting to your height. Hey, they're good. Can you actually see something?
Huh?
Can you see?
Right?
I was like, what are you looking at? Because the other side's blocked, but you can actually move it around.
Yeah. That's cool, huh?
Yeah.
신기하지? Little dummy.
That's pretty cool.
It's cool, right?
We came here by accident, right?
It's our car problem.
Yeah. Should we go down the smaller street?
네.
I feel like I'm in a ski resort town. It's super slippery. You think we can slide for?
Usually we can park in kind of close to here, right? The city, but luckily they have a
Cheap parking. For
camping.
Our place is covered in snow now. Enjoy.
쌓인 거 봐. 뭐야?
The mountain of snow around us.
Alright, welcome back. Good morning. What are you doing?
I'm preheating our shoes. They're frozen, they're ice cold.
It's -5. Today we are gonna go to the flea market. I hope they open. That's the reason why we woke up early. So we are gonna check out today.
It looks nice and cold out here. Look at the ice on the tree.
오, 와,
cool.
이쁘다. 오, 이쁘다. 도로 괜찮네.
Yeah, the roads are gonna be fine.
Yeah.
Last time we came here, a lot of the shops were closed, right?
It's open today.
Yeah.
It's
Careful.
slippery.
Yeah. Looks dry, but it's slippery. Oh, it's so slippery.
Oh, yeah. They are selling the 끝이야?
볼까?
빠이야이 같다 이거 보면.
Paella. Oh, that's like meat with sauerkraut. Oh, nice food, huh?
아, 나 진짜 웃겼잖니. I need a good job, right?
Yeah.
I need that. I really want to see the flea market in France. It's pretty, right?
유니크하네, 이 디자인.
Oh, actually, I can wear it. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Merci.
Bye-bye. guys, one thing is like, free market. You can, communicate with the vendors and how about this one? It's cute, right? Right, should we look around? 반주 판다, 반주. 양말도 파네. 안 파는 게 없다. 먹고 싶은 거 없어?
That potato one looked really good. That's kind of chowder stew.
난 다 맛있어 보이던데. So guys, this place is quite big. I mean, I'm surprised. Actually, it's a -5 degree, and the feeling temperature way lower, and everyone's face is turned red. I have a runny nose, and it's cold. When you are breathing, you can see your breath that cold, but people are shopping outside. That's so awesome. I love flea market. If you want to have how the life going around, like it's just wake up early and then go to flea market. You can see the vibrant feeling on it. 그럼 이제 음식을 좀 고를 차례죠, 우리는.
Oh, smoke. Yeah. Under the smoke.
Do you want to do some of the fries or anything?
Sure. Anyone's fine. Yeah, you choose for me. Oh wow, that's really good. Yeah. Okay, good. Oh, 맛있겠다. We can try those round ones.
Yeah, it's interesting, right?
Yeah. How many person?
Two person. Yeah. 맥주 먹고 오빠. 그래서 총 얼마 나왔어요?
About 18 French fries that we got. Those are the most expensive. More than any of the meat.
아 진짜?
Those are 19 euros per kilogram.
진짜?
Try one. They're quite expensive ones, right? 얼마나 맛있는지 보자. Here you go.
포테이토 아닌데? 빵인데?
They are kind of potatoes though. They're potato bread.
Do you wanna powder for your breakfast, right? We are heading to the minus. We left our tire lock nut, right? Lock nut key. We are gonna go there and then take it back because we forgot to. So it takes 40 minutes away and we are gonna walk, right? Oh, green light. Oh, red light. We are quite hungry because we didn't eat anything before we left Chibi. So we are eating this round potato bread. So looks like this. It's really burny and a little bit salty. I think we gotta still walk 20 minutes more. 약간 바보 같았는데.
Yeah.
You found it? Good.
Yeah, right there. Now we have to walk 40 minutes back.
40 minutes back. Walk 40 minutes. Let's do it. What is this?
Some risotto.
Oh, gratin.
So these will cook it for you maybe, huh?
I can see. 리조또 보인다.
Yeah. This one is empty already.
이건 타이야, 타이 food.
No, it's opposite.
다 왔어. 인기가 많나 봐.
Yeah.
We didn't expect to see food vending machine. We usually see it in Japan. But it's quite cool to say. They are selling the risotto and Thai food, but they don't have it with 6 to 9.5 euros. Interesting. So close. If we find something new, I will let you guys know. Good job. Kiwi has the snow still. Welcome home. 와우. 고기 한번 먹어보자. 오.
Is it good?
어.
It's really good. Creamy. Anyways, time to eat the oxen now, huh? I'm gonna eat these guys up. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, so let's try it.
무슨 일이야?
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Cheers. 짠. 맛있다.
No.
대박. 이게 얼마 있다고? It is like €9.89. Where are we going right now?
Food was good, but it was quite heavy. I think we want some vegetables and yogurt.
Yogurt. Lunch we ate chowder, like a gratin, right?
Yeah.
No.
We should have bought salad with it.
I don't feel great actually right now. We are gonna go to Go Express.
Yeah. Just any kind of yogurt's fine. We got our stuff. Actually, just walking makes me feel a little bit better. Okay, let's go back.
너무 조용하게 좋다. 이제 밤 산책하니까.
Yeah.
우리 약간 밤에 되면 안 나오잖아. 위험할까봐.
It's quite safe here.
Yeah, it's really safe here.
And pretty.
Guys, today we are gonna leave this campsite. Oh my god, look at outside. Still we have a snow left, but it's turning to like a slushy and icy right now. It's not easy to walk around. Our destination today near kind of border between the France or Belgium. Like last destination will be Germany, right? Because we gotta fix her, and I think Germany is our last hope. Yeah, we are gonna go. I think I cannot do vlog. It's so cold. Oh, how do you feel?
It does in the slush.
괜찮아?
Yeah, slush is fine. Oh, it's so windy. I don't know if I can do it. Okay, yeah, got it.
Yeah, open. Gate is open.
Alright.
That campsite is just close to the old town and nice price. We can walk to the old town. Yeah, we stay here really good. Like during the Arctic wind comes, it was freezing cold. And our, like campsite was covered by snow, tons of snow. I love it actually. Our destination Germany right now, and we know that when we get there we can change the engine oil because we changed that place several times and it was easy and fast. And then we know that the car parts we get through the Amazon. That's amazing. So Marx wants to fix it by himself. I really don't want him to do it.
Actually, now we're thinking.
이거 이쁘다. 아이가 몫을 볼 거 많아 보이는데 다 문을 닫아가지고.
Well, narrow roads though.
집도 이쁘네. 진짜 약간 오래된 타운인가 봐.
Alright, let's see if we get in here.
Your destination is on the right.
Get in.
Oh wow. Quite we are here the campsite. Power connection areas are quite far, so our cable, I'm not sure it can reach or not. 허니야? 되나? 아 그래?
Falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
Cool? Yeah. Good? Yeah, that's good, I think. Do you want to give me the outside insulation? I'll put the outside insulation on. Done.
근데 허니야, 내가 배가 고파가지고 왜 이렇게 배가 고프지 했는데 저녁 먹을 시간이다.
아 진짜? How come your pants are up there?
Because it got wet. Whenever I walk, just whoosh, water. 우리 저녁은 못 먹지.
I'll make something. Don't worry.
귀찮으면 라면 먹지 뭐.
Be happy.
Good morning to the crew. We stay pretty good here. It's a free campsite. And I woke up late because I shouldn't do it. I shouldn't eat. Middle of night, I was so hungry. I feel like if I'm hungry, I cannot go sleep. So I ate cup ramen, udon. My face is kind of fluffy. I don't know if it's right to say. This campsite is quite unique. The power cord is all the way up here from there. And you guys need the long, like electric cord, and also dump stations. Drinking water and we fill up the water and we're gonna go to Belgium today. So our purpose right now for fixing a TV that's quite connect to our safety too. So Belgium will be kind of stop over, sleep and move. Tomorrow I think we are gonna go to Germany. So until then, jump and hope and hope, jump and hope, travel. Are you ready to go?
Yep.
Alright, let's go.
I see a little right there.
방금 로케이션 넣고 있었는데.
Can't park here.
아, 여기에 되나봐. Before we get into Belgium, we gotta pick up something, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. But unfortunately, it's 2.5 meter height, right? Fire is empty.
It always kind of scares you when you see
Yeah, right. Is a kind of crisis going on or not, right? Because of the COVID before. 근데 형이야, 그거 프랑스 물가 좀 오른 것 같지 않나?
I think so, yeah. Oh, fondue.
근데
Perfect.
nice. We found the instant fondue, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna try. And we have a chopstick, we can use it.
Yeah, that bag I was thinking, that bag's like just under 2.5.
Yeah. We didn't know. How do we know? Okay, let's go. We just needed essential thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why we got the fondue.
Yeah, fondue. 그리고 내가 그거 뭐지 신문지로 닦아놨는데 좀 더 뿌연 거 같지 않나?
Yeah, I think so. Toll free highway, finally.
프랑스 톨 너무 비싸.
I think that day we spent more than 200 euros on tolls. This must be it. What did you say? Felony mine. Yeah, this is it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's part of this mine here. Oh, there's no more there.
There's
we
another one
found
too.
it.
Guys, we arrived in the free spot in Belgium. It's quite dark and maybe you guys cannot see me. Just follow my voice. So where we are parking is a kind of tourist attraction.
It's a mine?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if it's a museum or what. It's called Bingni Mine.
So yeah, we are here. They provide the spot to park and electricity is not free. It's a €2 or €3 for 12 hours. It's pretty good. We're gonna sleep here and then go to Germany tomorrow. It's like right next to, kind of close to Germany, so it's a perfect spot. But it's cool.